In today's video, you'll learn how to create and file 1099 forms in QuickBooks Online step by step. This process helps you report payments made to contractors and keeps your business records organized and accurate. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and open the dashboard. From the menu on the left side, click on Expenses, then select 1099s. This section is where you can prepare and manage your contractor tax forms. Click Prepare 1099s to begin. You may see options to automatically prepare your forms or create them manually. For beginners, preparing them manually is usually easier because it lets you review everything step by step. Next, review your company details. Make sure your business name, address, and tax information are correct. If anything needs to be changed, edit the information before moving forward. When everything looks right, confirm the details and continue. After that, you'll need to select the accounts used to pay your contractors. These accounts will be linked to the correct boxes on the 1099 form. Choose the accounts that include contractor payments, then assign each account to the appropriate category. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total payments based on the accounts you selected. Once that's done, review your vendors. You'll see a list of contractors who are set up for 1099 tracking, along with the amounts paid to each one. Check that the totals look correct. If you need to update a contractor's information, you can edit it from this screen. If a contractor is missing, you can add them to the 1099 tracking list and then continue with the setup. Next, preview your 1099 forms. Carefully review the amounts and information shown on each form to make sure everything is accurate. This step helps you avoid mistakes before filing. After reviewing the forms, continue to the filing section. Confirm your billing information and choose the option to file electronically or print copies if needed. Once you submit, QuickBooks will process your forms and notify you about the filing status. And that's how you create 1099 forms in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.